ingredients in this country, yes. Take for example, chicken. Chicken usually outside in the market it's what? 120 a kilo, something like that, the whole chicken. But if you buy a halal chicken, it's around 150 a kilo. Because there are just a few companies who actually do halal slaughtering here. It's more expensive in such a way that you need slaughterers, butchers to really split the throat, number one. But the market here is just so little. You just have a few companies who actually do halal market. So that's why they, I don't want to say monopolize, but they really have, it's more expensive here because it's not a popular, the ingredients aren't that popular.
Wow.
If you strain with
Chinois.
yeah, so
It's more smooth.
if you use the big one, maybe
There's
can
carbs.
Hindi siya steady stream.
No, it's not.
Steady siya, steady.
That's nice, no? Very nice.
Cool.
I'm not sure yet.
So it's actually just like a prep talaga. So you have to wait for it until it's and then
you just pull it out.
Nice.
Oh, here's the bread. Yeah, now we get it.
Ooh, nice.
So,
Mm.
very nice, yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
Video na tama.